see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying,
good morning, yesterday. You wake up and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the bad you've seen, and all the others in between? Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Reach back for the joy and the sorrow, put them away in your mind, for memories are time that you borrow to spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one, so gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dreamed today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dreamed today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Of your life. Of your life. Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the times of your life? Times of your life. Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she better? Less than 1 minute.
Happy birthday! Hope you're having a great night. Shame we couldn't be there, but other commitments. But never mind. Enjoy yourself, and I hope you get spoilt rotten. Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy birthday! Magiging maugma ka kayang dyan, kaya yaon dyan ang mga tugang mo. May siguradong maugma ka ta, kadakol ka mamaga dyan mga barkadang ma-enjoy sa birthday mo. Kami digdi ma-celebrate man kan birthday mo. Happy birthday uli!
Manay, happy birthday. Mayo man ako dyan, pero ma-celebrate man kami digdig ang birthday mo. Ikaw pa tarong mag-greet man sa imo, Jo, mag-greet ka kay Manay.
Happy birthday po, Ate Jo.
Si Mark turog pa, pero atsan pa, mag-greet ito. Tagustuhan ito mag-greet sa imo, Manay. Happy birthday!
Manay, happy 16th birthday. Ay, 60th pa lang. Pero, garo man lang baga 16. Happy birthday, Manay. Oh. Ugwang sarong grupo naghahalat sa imong haluyo ng maray at lasda mga kaibanang kananinda. Uya yan. Pagbalik ka
Happy birthday!
Manay.
Jo, sana po sa next birthday mo, yaon naman po kami dyan. Hopefully po.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo.
Happy birthday po.
Tita, happy birthday po. Happy... Ilan taon na, Tita?
60.
Kala ko 50. Di bagay, Tita. Tita, happy birthday po. I love you so much.
Hindi ba mo kutas na to? Happy birthday, Tita Jo. Happy birthday, Tita Jo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Jo. I love you.
Hi, Mother Jo. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa imo good life, more travel, and miss ko na ang pag-irinuman sa ning tequila. Happy birthday. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Manay Jo. Wish you all the best. Stay beautiful always. Love you, miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Manay. I wish you all the best in life, good health and wealth. And may you have many, many, many more years ahead. God bless and love you, Manay.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo. God bless you always. May your days always be bright and wealthy. And as always, love you, Tita Jo.
Manay, maski mahayo na kami dyan. Sana maugmaan sa iyong party. And always remember, you are the best sister in the world. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!